everyone, it's Lindsay K, and I'm back once again for another video. Today we're going to talk about something very upsetting to me. Was upsetting to me when I was in college, I mean high school. And so if you have come across my channel, please hit the subscribe button before you continue to watch this video, because I like musicals, and I like films, and I'm like an actor who's like going into film and stuff. And I post life lessons that I learned, or advice that I need to give, because it took me forever to learn that advice. When people repeat it to my face all the time, I will repeat it to you so that you'll likely get it faster than I did. And I also post about like movie theories and other stuff like that. I rant a lot. If you do like those video kind of things, this is a different one. This is more like helping other people get through college auditions. So if you're not really doing college auditions and you're not interested in that, then you can click off this video or you can stay here. I will have another video up next week. We're gonna jump right into it. Here we go. So Unifieds is coming up. So I thought I would make a packing list of everything that helped me. And I had a great Unifieds, whether or not I got into colleges or not. I had the best experience of my life of auditioning. All of like the people give me great feedback. They all told me how to improve it. I did get specific, oh, you did this well or you did this well, but let's see what you can do with this. And I had the greatest time because I discovered new things in my monologue and my songs as well. I improved myself tremendously regardless if I got in anywhere. And that's one thing you got to go in thinking is, what can I get from this audition? What can they give me in this moment? How can I take direction? If I take direction well, I will learn how to improve myself further for the next audition. Have fun. If you're too stressed out, you probably won't have a fun time, and you likely won't get into places because you'll be too stressed out. So let me remind you that if you are stressed out, please take deep breath. Please talk to whoever is with you, your mom or your teacher from your school, which is what mine was. My dad came on the last day because they had to leave because I auditioned for more colleges than anyone in my class. Just always keep positive vibes vibrating throughout your entire being and send vibes of positivity to everyone else because they're in the same boat as you. It doesn't matter if they get in or not, or if you get in or not. Just do not compare yourself. Know that you prepared for this your whole 4 years. Take deep breaths and realize how far you've come to this day, and that's gonna be okay. But you should pack. I say pack throat coat, a whole box if you have to. Drink it like water. I'm serious. It's freezing cold. Everyone else probably has a sickness that they're carrying around, regardless if they have it or not. They're gonna be giving it to you, and you might get a sinus infection because there's plenty of bacteria around. Bring a refillable water bottle, but also bring a refillable coffee cup thermal mug thing, because you will need to use either, if you drink coffee, that might help your throat. I don't know. I don't drink coffee, but if you drink throat coat tea like honey in it, and you put lots of honey in it, it'll still help your throat. I drank it like it was water. I don't know how that works, but like it made me happy because I was freezing cold in negative 20-degree weather and I was dying inside and out, so I drank it like water. Voila, I was fine. My voice survived. It got sore in some points. Also, don't forget a big coat because it's gonna be freezing unless you're in LA, because LA is LA. But if you're in New York or Chicago, please do not forget to bring a nice big snow coat. If you're from Utah or if you're from the West and you know how cold it can get, you're fine. If you're from Northeast, you're fine. If you're from the freaking South like me, in South Carolina, Alabama, Florida, whatever, bring a freaking coat. Bring all of your layers, because you will regret it if you don't. I brought like a really light coat and we went to Millennium Park and I was like, oh, it's just so cute for pictures. I was dying inside. I also have some vlog footage that I'm gonna put in here. So first time in Chicago, and it's just beautiful, and I can't get over it. We're trying to find a farmhouse. I think we're failing. We are failing. Is it the Hyatt? No. Hey! That's where a lot of other auditions are at. Where? The Hyatt, but I don't know what they were. Oh, cool. Should we probably turn down the other way?
Maybe. I don't know. I'm kind of enjoying this.
Me too. Dang it, did I leave my wallet in the room?
It's very possible.
I wanted to go to Walgreens and get honey. Hey, look, a McDonald's.
If you want, I can spot you.
Spot me?
Yes.
Like, what's that mean?
I will pay you for it, and you will pay me back.
Yes. Okay, I've never heard that term before.
Really?
No. That's a cute McDonald's. It's so hipster. Look at
Noodles.
this.
What is this?
Noodles and Company is like
Noodles and Company McDonald's. It's a thing. Apparently.
Together. Look how beautiful. Like, woo! Vlogging with my phone, and I didn't realize that you have to have it, you know, this way in order for it to look good. It looked like a Snapchat. So here we are in Millennium Park. Hey guys, we're vlogging now. We're here for Unifieds. But just seeing the sights is, man, I would have loved that as a child. And bring warmth, bring socks, bring boots to change into out of your character shoes or your Laduca shoes. If you're rich like that, if you have Laduca shoes and a coach, like, where are you getting the money from? I'd like to know, thanks. Bring all the things that you know you need. I will leave a packing list PDF in the description for you guys to print out. I made it myself. I put some tips in there. I also put, like, what to pack, a steamer, like, all that good stuff that you really do need. And, like, if you can't bring honey or, like, shampoo or whatever on the plane, there's always time to go to a Walgreens before. Always arrive a day early, which is granted because you want to sleep. Always go to bed early. Always have something after all of your auditions to do. Whether it's taking a nap, you can look forward to that because you wake up early to go to early auditions. Or if it's going to a pizzeria or like exploring the town. Or like, if always arrive 30 minutes early to your audition because they could be running really early and they could just slip you in, or someone else didn't show up at their specific time and they could just slip you in real fast and then you get stuff done way early. And that's a win-win situation for everyone. Always be early to an audition no matter what. It's kind of common sense. That concludes this video. I hope you guys had a great time listening to me. I hope that it was useful to you, and I hope that you guys have a great Unifieds. Break legs. Hope that you get into the colleges that you need to get into, and I also pray that you will be happy with where you are. But remember, whatever happens, you will be where you need to be. No matter what happens, you are where you need to be for a reason. There's a reason why A, you got into your school, or B, you did it. There's a reason for everything in the world, and the universe is going to give you what you need if you keep working for it no matter what, and as long as you never give up. If you do not listen to garbage people who tell you that you can't achieve your dreams, then you'll be okay. Just don't listen to garbage people. Don't assume that these rejections are saying give up. No, they're saying we had a bunch of people from everywhere and we couldn't pick everybody, so I'm sorry, but we didn't pick you because we had to pick this person for some reason that you will never know. Remember that you are enough. You are so enough. It's unbelievable how enough you are. Credit to Sierra Bogus for that quote. Stop doubting yourself, and do not let the rejections get you down. If you let them get you down, you probably will have a harder time in this business than anyone else in the world. So just push it off. Be like, they don't want me. That's okay. I have something else. And whether or not you have something else, keep looking for something else. And that's my advice for today. I hope that you guys have a great day. Please break legs at Unifieds, and please print out the PDF I have down below of a packing list for it, and also some extra tips that I didn't mention in this video. If there's anything that I forgot to put down there, please comment down below, or if there's anything that you think I should edit or put in there, please comment down below. I hope that you guys have a great day, and if you haven't already and you'd like to, go ahead and hit subscribe. I will be talking about lots of theater advice stuff, as well as acting advice stuff, as well as whatever advice stuff that I come up with, and I also will be talking about movies, musicals, theories for both. And so if you like those kind of things, and you also like it when people rant at cameras, subscribe down below. Love y'all. See you later. Bye.
I know this town like the back of my hand, but I'm not such a fan of the back of my hand. Cause if you look real close at those little hairs and veins, you're like, hands are sorta gross. It's hard to explain. The point is, hey, West Covina, why won't you let me break